Hey guys, it's D here from JD and the Sump Sea. We're moving into the next level of the channel, and I invite you guys to join me on Thanksgiving night, November 27th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time to join me on my first live stream. We're going to be building stuff, using this stuff, which is pretty crazy, but I have a whole bunch of orc terrain that I have to build for our Battle of Ulnor reenactment 30K battle on the end of January. Didn't really want to do a video on it, so I figured what the heck, I'd just try my live streaming availabilities. So if after your meal you want to watch a train wreck, you know, come on down. I'd love to have you. We're going to be working with granny foam. This is going to be one of my final videos on showing you guys how to use foam and what all I do with it. Yeah, I really hope to see, you know, one or maybe two people. That would be cool. If anything, like I said, you can watch me fumble around, glue my fingers together, and maybe cut myself with a hot razor cutter. Anyways, I hope to see you guys there. See you then.